Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning. So cold, I'm sorry. Can't see a thing because my glasses are fogged up. Hi! How are you? I got a chair going into the other shop, the second shop today, Vintage Junkie. And I gotta tell you about this chair. Okay, so yesterday, I woke up and chose violence. I was like, having a bad day. Well, I woke up today and I was a little more positive. I'm like, I'm gonna be okay. I'm not gonna be okay. Just spoiler alert. Well, last night I'd cleaned this chair because the cats had got up on it and one of them was bleeding at the time. So there's blood on the chair. Well, my little $3 hack for cleans the blood out. So I covered the chair so they couldn't sit on it again. I cleaned it. It was good to go. Woke up this morning, pulled the blanket off of it. It's good. It's clean. I'm like, yes, it's clean. It's dry. It's ready to go. Come on. I go to write the hang tag for it. Little tag, my price tag. And I go back to hang it, and there is a long drool mark down the center of the chair. The dog went over to inspect my work, and she drooled. I didn't even know she drools. I'm like, long drool mark down the center of the chair. So I get the cleaner, and I spray the whole thing down again. Wipe it down. Had to get a hair dryer out, dry the chair as best I could. It's still just a little damp, but it's going in because it's the only thing I had. They didn't have chairs. I was gonna bring a chair. Couldn't even. I was like, are you freaking kidding? I looked down and I went, ah! It was not a good. I was like, oh. What happened? What happened here? And I mean, it was like massive drool bubble. Like, it was like this long. It was probably 9 inches long. I'm like, what? Why? I didn't clean the entire chair again. So I got it all clean and I put a hair dryer on it for as long as I could. Then I had to go. I gotta go. And then I had an Etsy order again last night, so that's 2 in a row. Yay. Hopefully that's picking up. Hopefully adding I posted a new one today again, so hopefully I'm kickstarting it again. They've stopped shadow banning me. I gotta get a haircut super bad, guys. I cannot do a thing about this. My hair is turning curly on me. It's old lady curly hair. So I got 2 shipments to get out. Ray, your shipment's going out. So, yay, I got shipments going out today. I got the customer chair going to her, hopefully on Friday. And then I looked at the calendar and realized I have to do my booth next week or no week. So, all right, I'm home. Did my shipments. And y'all, I put them in the mailbox. Like, with the luck I've been having, that was probably really stupid, right? But I did it. I put them in the mailbox. That's probably dumb. We'll find out this afternoon if she takes it. We'll see. The OG was calling. I know, we all love him. Anyway, had to leave the door cracked because the dog decided she was going to be naughty. Naughty dog. I've painted the inside, and while I was talking to the OG, I did the outside on 3 sides and the bottom. So now I'm going to paint this last side a second coat. I don't know if I'll double coat the inside because I'm going to put greens in it. Should I? Should I not? I think I'm going to make a plan to, this weekend, get like a big load of stuff to go to the new place because I have not like super overloaded them. And when I talked to her when I worked, we had some discussion about what type of things that I might have in inventory. I know I have them in inventory. She might be interested in, because I didn't know what her customers like. I'm still learning what their customer base, they're close to us, but not that close. Like their customer base completely different from Pickett. Completely. So there, I have to figure out what they're looking for, what they want. And I had said a cloche that I have an abundance of cloches. I got a bin full of them actually. And she said, you can try. And I said, well, you stage, cloches are like magic. You stage it with some flowers in it and they kind of sell. And she goes, oh, nobody here stages them. Well, I'm going to stage them. We're going to stage these. There we go. So that's got a second coat. Do this side of the handle. I want the handle to be nice. I wanted to make cutting boards today, but of course my husband hasn't brought me that. He's got a bunch of live edge wood out there. The mechanic asked the OG, who's been living in this van? Me. I live in my van. I live in all my vehicles. Suck it up, Buttercup. Live with it. Men in their cars. Like, it's got to be pristine. No, it's a work van. I live in her. What you doing out there, Nani? Oh, she's still sitting on the couch. Okay. Oh, but remember I went to that auction hall and I picked up that newspaper rack, and I said I really wanted one that the shelves came down and I could put quilts on. Because the woman, when I asked her a question about it, she goes, no, it doesn't fold out. And I thought, it has to, right? And she's like, no, it doesn't. And then I got there and I'm like, and you're sure it doesn't fold out? And she goes, no. And I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, but it looks like it does. So I brought it in. And guess what? It folded out. So now I have the rack that I wanted to have for quilts and pillows, and I'm so excited. I was like, she was wrong, I was right. You have to lift up these clips that hold it like together. So when you fold it up to transport it, it doesn't come flopping apart, which is really nice. I'll be honest, that part's really nice. But as soon as you lift those up, you can remove these hooks that are on it, and then the whole thing just folds out. I'm like, I was right. See, she's mechanically declined. I'm mechanically inclined. And I was looking at it going, that looks like it should do that. Like, it looks like it should fold out. So I just picked at it for a little bit, and I lifted up these two little slides, and I went, oh, I see ya. I see ya. Like, moved the hooks and I got the rack that I wanted for $5. I was so excited. An old vintage newspaper rack, and I'd been looking for some kind of like newspaper rack or a bakery rack or something like that I could put pillows in or quilts or something to like line them up. And I wasn't having any luck. Like an old store display of some kind. And a lot of the old store displays, wire racks, folded for storage. And they're heavy duty. And this sucker is heavy duty. So it's not like the new wire racks that are, you fold them up and they bend and they, in my van, are going to get wrecked. Oh no, this is like heavy steel. And it's just... I was just like, it's gonna be great. It's exactly what I had in my mind. And it's bright green. I don't care. I don't care if it's bright green. It's a little rusty and it's bright green, but it folds out and it locks in place when you fold it up. I'm like, that's brilliant. This is done. This little thingy is done. I know, it's very rustic. So I'm thinking I might scuff it up a little bit. Maybe I'll glaze it. think I want to maybe put flowers or something like that on the side, or, you know. Guys, remember I had those transfers. Then there were a lot of flowers and a little French scripty stuff that said like flowers. They're flowers, not flowers. Maybe let me see if I find that. Oh, I had a request that this come down again. So, y'all, this is probably going to come down. Y'all want to see my messy shelves? They're back here. But I put that up to do that interview because I didn't want it to be too chaotic. And I got a request yesterday that come down. So if you guys want to see my shelves, you can see my shelves. I don't care. I have no shame. Actually, Ray sent me this one. Remember with the birds? Wouldn't that be cute? Put some greens and have a little birdie on it. Just maybe in the corner. Right there. Put a little bird right there. I think that'd be sweet. Let's see if we can find the right birdie here. So Ray sent me this decoupage paper, and she sent me the 100 Project 100 Days Challenge. Let's see if we can find a bird that will look cute. Look how cute those are. Yeah, I found them. Okay, see this one with the nest? Look how cute they are. And they got the little sheet music behind it. So I think I'm gonna cut like right in here. And then it'll have to be around that guy. Yeah, I think we're going to do this one. Are they different birds? Did I miss a bird? Oh, there's those birds. No, I saw those birds. No, we're back in the repeating pattern. Okay, let me get a scissors. Alrighty, we're doing it. This is still wet, so I don't want to press it on there, but little birdie right there, little nest. I think they'll be sweet. So I'm going to tear around some of these pieces. Not tear the edge. I want it to be torn. We'll let it wrap around. And then what I think I'll do is put like the dark glaze over it. I gotta think on it just a little bit. This is now dry enough for us to Mod Podge our birdies on there. Okay, and that is starting to chap. Where'd my birds go? What am I doing? What? Did y'all take my birds? Did you take them? Who took my birds? Oh, they fell on the floor. Because they're paper. So I'm going to Mod Podge them right here. And then clear the whole thing. And then hit it with some of that antiquing glaze. I'm going to use a glaze. So did I tell you about that glaze? Or did I just use it on the chair? Rust-Oleum's Cabinet Transformation Decorative Glaze. This was on the Oops Paint for 50 cents. I got this whole can for 50 cents. I don't have to mix a glaze right now because this is what I want on it. Is just an aging type of glaze. But I gotta get a cloth. Okay, come on. There we go. Yoo-hoo. Stuff stinks. All right, so I got my birdies. I don't know if I should paint this or the paper. This is probably better this way. I was going to do whole paper, and that's just stupid, Stacy. Stupid Stacy. All right, here we go. Put them little birdies there. And I'm okay with the wrinkles. I was kind of actually hoping it would have wrinkles because that'll hold the glue, or not the glue, the glaze. And I thought that might look cute. Kind of get it a wrinkled, aged look with the torn edges. Otherwise, I'd have been way more careful. I was not careful. As you saw, I was not careful. let that dry. Look cute. Look how it looks cute. It's starting to look cute. Not done yet, but it's starting to look cute. I don't think it needs more birds. I think just one little statement bird area would be cute. And then I'll put greens in it, and hopefully that completes my vision. Okay, now it's just being fussy going back on. All right, there we go. I'm gonna go clean my brush. Time to glaze. I have a washcloth that's damp. Now we're gonna glaze it. Now I'm wondering if I shouldn't have distressed it first. I think I'm going to distress some spots and then hit the raw wood with the glaze because I thought that looked nice on the chair. So hang on. All right, I got some distressing on it. Let's try that again. Let's hit like this spot up here and make it dark. Yeah, better. I like it better. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I was gonna paint it white and walk away. So glad I didn't. I'm so glad that this struck me. This paper that Ray gave. Ray, thank you. That paper's come in handy like a couple times now, huh? Thank you so much for sending that to me. And I don't like glazing things. And I'm so glad I did it. At the end, you saw me picking here and picking here. I wanted to do sort of a framed vignette where it was darker on the edges, almost like a parchment. So that's when the art comes in. Like it's more of an art than a craft is when you're picking at little things. And like I hit the edges and then brushed it sideways so that it looked like it blended in. And I'm not gonna lie, I like this. I was gonna paint it just white and put some flowers in it and put it in the booth. And I'll be damned. This is so much better. Like for real, I didn't glaze the inside, but this is so much better. So much better. I'm gonna let that dry. Wow. Very happy with how it came out. I like this. I like this a lot. Some flowers in there. Big flowers. Really nice ones. I have some peonies. Stick them in there. I'm not going to put those in there because I'm not selling my peonies. For my after picture, I will. If I can find a before picture. I'm just very pleased with this one. I'm happy now. That's where the painting makes me happy when things like this happen. The unexpected. And then the other side actually turned out super nice too. I got the dark glaze and those deep cracks so that it actually looks like it should be that way instead of somebody put this together with the worst wood they had. So it looks really nice, I think. I think that's going to actually sell. Now, who do I bring it to? Do I put it in my booth first, which I probably will, or the new place? I just love it. I think it turned out good.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.